Welcome to Roadrunner, your go-to channel for all things automotive. In today's video, we'll dive into the exciting features, specs, and performance of the 2025 BMW 7 Series. If you're considering a luxury sedan that combines cutting-edge technology, powerful performance, and unparalleled comfort, then the 7 Series might be on your radar. Let's take a closer look at what this vehicle brings to the table. The 2025 BMW 7 Series showcases a bold design with a refined exterior that exudes elegance and modernity. Its sleek lines are complemented by a redesigned front grille, offering a fresh, distinctive look. Inside, the cabin is a masterpiece, with luxurious materials and state-of-the-art technology. The spacious interior features premium leather upholstery, advanced infotainment systems, and customizable options for a truly personalized experience. When it comes to performance, the 2025 BMW 7 Series offers multiple engine options. The base model comes with a turbocharged inline-six engine that delivers a smooth and responsive drive. For those seeking even more power, there's an available V8 engine that provides exhilarating acceleration and top-notch handling. Additionally, a hybrid variant is available, combining efficiency with impressive power for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint without compromising on performance. The 7 Series also shines in terms of tech features. The vehicle is equipped with BMW's iDrive 8 system, offering a user-friendly interface, voice controls, and seamless connectivity with smartphones and other devices. A massive curved display serves as the centerpiece of the dashboard, providing clear visuals and intuitive controls. For safety, BMW has included advanced driver assistance systems, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and automated emergency braking to ensure peace of mind on the road. With a variety of trims and configurations, the 2025 BMW 7 Series allows drivers to customize their vehicle to suit their preferences. Whether you're after performance, luxury, or the latest in automotive technology, the 7 Series delivers on all fronts. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on more car news and reviews, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the Roadrunner family.